So when you're looking at the average replacement cost for homeowners, it really does depend on what the homeowner is looking for. If you bought a house a few years ago and you're like, I'm raising my kids here, we're gonna be here for the next 40 years, we might be looking at a James Hardie concrete fiber or an LP siding. There is gonna be a bit more expense in that. If you're in there and you're thinking, I'm gonna sell here in just a few years, maybe vinyl siding is the right way to go. It is gonna be more cost effective, still an amazing product, great warranties on everything.